Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add multiple stories on multiple photos or videos on Instagram story. Or I will also show how you can add the multiple photos on one Instagram story. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, I'm going to show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone or iOS, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I am on my Instagram here. If you want to add in order to add story, you have to click on this plus icon and go to the stories. Okay, so your camera will be open and you can click photos or video from here for 30 second or 50 second. So if I click photo, so if you want to get photo from your device or gallery, you have to click on it and you can upload photo from here. I just click on this photo and it will be upload. Okay, you can write something. If you want to write, you can click on this icon and you can write something and just click on done and you can just click OK. So share on your story. Yeah, it has been shared. And if you want to add more photos, you can follow the same, you have to follow the same step. You have to go in again, plus go to the post, sorry, stories, and currently this is your okay. Now you can post another photos and share. Okay, so that is how you can add multiple photos or video on your Instagram story. Okay, so it's done. So it is uploading both up. It is uploading now. Okay, so you can see I have uploaded this one photo and another photo will be uploaded right back. Okay, as you can see, two photo has been uploaded. So this is for if you want to add multiple photos on Instagram story. But if you want to add multiple photos in one Instagram story, then there is another option you can use. Just go to the stories. Okay, click photo, any photo, just click photo and go to this three dot and go to the draw option and just select any color from here. I just select this one and hold within the photo for 1 second and just okay. Now you have to click on done and click on done. After that you will find option like sticker, just click on it. Now just find option of this one, click on it and you can select photo from your gallery now. Okay, so I just select one photo, you can select another photo same way. So you have to select photo as per your requirement and you can choose multiple photos. So that is how you can share multiple photos in one story. So I just click on next and share on your story. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for